looks so greasy on this monitor, and I don't like it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I don't. I'm pretty sure in real life it looks great, but this monitor,
It's throwing you off.
It's throwing me off.
Don't look at it.
Okay. Hi, Glowgetters. It's Natalia Barlow here, and today we have the lovely Jalissa, I can't say one of my, because she'll kill me, my muse.
Yes.
My muse, Jalissa. I was coming out of the studio, and I invited her over because she told me how much she wanted to learn how to do her brows. So how this is going to work is that I'm going to do one brow, then she's going to do the other. What she doesn't know is that she has 5 minutes to do it. Maybe not even 5 minutes. You know, that's too much time.
I didn't know that at all.
I'm going to teach it in less than 5 minutes, and then you have like a minute or two to do exactly what I did. Okay?
The pressure's on.
Yeah, so it'll
Gotcha.
be Natalia taught me. How about that?
Gotcha.
Natalia taught me. Let's see how well you pick it up. So, you ready?
Yes.
5 minutes starts now. First things first, I take a spoolie. I love the double-ended brushes where there's angled on one side and then a mascara wand on the other, and I brush up the brows, up and over. This way it helps you to see where the sparse areas are in your brow, yes? Here I see there's a little bit of sparseness, and then also over here, because I'm going in with powder, I'm only going to use the powder, the pencil on the outer part of the brow, and then use the powder towards the inside, and then with the powder, I'm using this quad that I custom created from MAC. There's charcoal brown, and this is also espresso. So I'm mixing these two eyeshadows, that's all it is. And with powder, I blend up into the brow. This is really to make contact with the skin, to make sure we don't have any of those gaps. When you brush through the brows, oh yes, it helps to take away the excess product. So say you put on, or that you apply too much, just brush through your brows to soften it. Okay. And then I go in with a clear brow gel just to set the hairs in place. Same motion of how we started. You brush the inner parts up, the middle part over, and then the end down. If I give you 3 minutes, you can ask me questions. If I give you 2 minutes, you gotta do it on your own.
Yeah. I'll leave room for questions because there's definitely questions I have.
3 minutes on the clock and start.
Okay. So I'm going to brush up and over, and then the end down.
Perfect.
And then I'm gonna fill. I see that I have sparse hairs here, and a little bit through here, but I'm gonna wait to do this part with the eyeshadow.
Ooh,
to create the softness.
You're good. You're a good student. What are you doing now?
I am just filling in and then brushing down.
What effect does that give the brow?
I don't know.
Okay, keep going.
I don't know.
It softens the effect.
Okay,
so
gotcha.
when you apply the product and you go through it, you're making sure that it's soft.
Okay, do I need to go more?
What do you think? Match your brows. You got 2 minutes.
Yes.
I think that looks good.
Yeah, I do too.
Okay, now you got powder because you got 1 minute and 43, 42.
So
41.
we're gonna mix them. Right?
Yes. Tap off the excess. Good job,
Yeah,
girls.
tapped off.
So proud. I didn't even tell her that. And what are you doing now?
I'm just filling in the front part and creating that soft look.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna brush some of the excess. I'm gonna do it a little bit more. I'm concentrating.
Okay. And you have 1 minute.
So,
How do your brows look compared to each other?
I think this one obviously looks a lot better, but, you know.
No, your brows look good.
Yeah, I feel like I did pretty decent with this, so I'm gonna apply the gel, and we're done. Bam!
Bam. With 17, 16, 15 seconds to spare. So how do you feel?
I love it. I feel like this look is so much more natural, softer. The stuff I was using before was super hard, super defined, and this I feel was easy and just gave me that overall just natural, clean look. So I love it.
She normally uses a pomade. That's why she said it looks like a little bit stronger, like harsh in some ways, because depending on, you know, how heavy your hand is, it can look like a drag queen's brow.
Yeah,
very quickly.
Exactly.
Very quickly.
Exactly.
So what happened here?
So here, I learned how to do something really quick with my eyebrows that was super soft, super natural, and I absolutely love it. Natalia taught me.
So thank you all so much for watching this video. Jalissa learned how to do her brows. Yay! Super exciting times. But don't forget to like and subscribe, but also comment down below what do you want to learn next, because if you live in the Tampa area, I might invite you over. How's my hospitality? Just let me know.
Amazing, guys. Literally the best.
We were over here eating hummus.
Healthy stuff. And that's what's key, right? Like, we want to stay healthy our whole lives. She definitely will keep you on track with that, for sure.
Thank you. Let me not eat on camera so we can end this. But I thank you all so much for watching. Always remember that the glow begins with confidence from within. Glow up, glow on, because
you glow, girl! Yeah! You know how to say it! I love it! Girl, watch your stuff! I know the script and everything. Hey, Glowgetters, it's Natalia Barlow here. I know the script.
I'm having a moment. Oh my gosh. That was until next time. Ciao.